All right, I'll hear from Jordan, but I may need to ask you some questions after that, or
Okay.
I may give you an opportunity to respond to some of what she says, like I said, because there's petitions going both ways here.
Can I also say another thing?
Mhm.
So I can't remember the date, but when I first did this, she tried to put the petition on me the very next day, which I think is out of retaliation because I know that her aunt, it works in the court system and she gets all of her information from her aunt. So it was the very next day that she found out that it went through, that she went to the courthouse to get the restraining or the protection order on me. So I feel like that was based off of like just retaliation.
All right, Ms. Gorin, you want to tell me your side of it?
Yes, Your Honor. I did reach out to her job to let him know, and I did petition for the no contact order after she showed up to my house. I did reach out and let them know that that wasn't okay and that I would reach out to corporate if further things were going to continue to happen. On August 10th, me and my daughter were woken up in the middle of the night to Lillian Vaughn and Jamie Connolly banging on my front door. And by the time I could even get out of bed to come down the stairs, they had went around, and I have all this on camera of Jamie Connolly at my house on recorded, around my backyard trying to break into my sliding glass door. I have a police report. They called, which I believe is in retaliation over Joseph Vaughn. Joseph Vaughn has 3 assault felonies against me. Jamie Connolly did bail him out. That has nothing to do with me whatsoever. Me and Joseph have absolutely no contact. They called and made false accusations that Joseph Vaughn was there that night, claiming under the influence that he was here. When the police had arrived because I was going to call, Lillian was screaming she had already called. So when I went and opened the door, I had offered the officer, please come in and search the house. Joseph Vaughn is not here. We are not in contact. The officer had free reign to come in and did clear that Joseph Vaughn was not here. They've been harassing me. Those no caller IDs were them because I've answered the phone numerous times. And at this point, I'm just sick of being harassed. She has came to my line of work. She has tried to reach out to my boss, which my boss can write a statement as well. I'm just sick of it at this point. My 5-year-old daughter is terrified still to go to bed when she hears noises because these drunk girls were throwing rocks, trying to bust, literally punching at my sliding glass door in the backyard. They have threatened me, like threatened to shoot me. I've never been to Jamie Connolly's house. I had to get her address from the police officer. She still hasn't been served the protection order. And at this point, it's just more of an exhaustion than anything. I don't know why they're doing this other than this has to do with Joseph. They have said numerous times that, oh, they're going to get me back for what I did for putting Joseph in jail for assaulting me.